believe that the service providers are business people and will be making the necessary investments in their networks to prepare, because what you're going to have is real competition. Yeah. Real competition is going to commence, meaning that no network will want to lose their subscribers. So if you don't make the investment that is supposed to be made, then I'm sure there are some networks that are actually waiting in the wings. One of the things that will help to improve quality is broadband infrastructure. Part of the challenge we're having today is the paucity of infrastructure. It's still not there. Now, because what you have today is that everything is mobile. Most communications are done mobile now. You can now have fixed lines. Okay. It's because fixed lines in modern times are not such where you have to run cable and over the head cable, but provided through broadband infrastructure, where you can have like AAA in the house. You can have fixed line. They just bring in the fiber into your home, and then all you have to do is just plug and play. You just plug in and you're there. So you have the internet, you have the fixed line. So mobile just remains mobile. If you're in your home, we're very much on course. The number portability operator is already finalizing the equipment installations and all of that. What is going on now is integration with the database, the SIM card database, okay, which would also help in probably verifications. So when somebody wants to port, and it's, at least some verifications have to be carried out to confirm that the authenticity of the person that is porting. Okay. And then also there is also a connection that is going on between the service providers and then the database as well. Routing numbers has been given by the regulator to the service providers. The routing numbers will facilitate porting, between networks. So that has been given. By December, testing will commence. Testing of the number portability program, to identify challenges and see areas where we need to fine tune to make sure that it's smooth when it takes off. Then after all of December will just be testing, with all the networks to see, what issues that could arise. Then in the first quarter of 2013, then the regime will commence.
All right, Tony Ojobo is the Director of Public Affairs of NCC, giving the producers of GlobalNet a timeline for the number portability when we had an exclusive interview with him in November 2012. And 3 months later, what he has said is what is on the ground, and apparently, it would seem that the NCC is keeping up with that schedule.
The key word there is on course.
Okay.
Repeatedly, I said it, he used the same word. So, November and then December, equipment test and all that. Of course, you have to integrate all that before you now say, okay, let us go. Everybody must be ready. And of course, the issues of network degradation came in, all that. Yeah. So, but I think I'm particularly excited that in spite of all that, everything is moving in that direction. Okay. Yes.
All right. So, if you are just joining us, the situational report for number portability is that we may be looking at the startup of this in another maybe 30 days.
Yes. Inside of April. I'm very confident.
That is so exciting. Yeah. And we wait with bated breath as to how it's going to work, how it's going to play out. And well, it also seems that they are ready because we have some figures released today. You want to share some of that with us in the quality of service of the network providers. And well, does it comply with the outlook that you need to have before portability? Can be.
I think so. They have, what we call a KPI, key performance indicators.
Okay.
So you look at call drop rate, you look at, call setup rate as well. And the benchmark is about 2%. And it will appear that almost all the networks, met that target of below 2%.
Or below 2% call drop?
Yes.
Are you really serious?
Yes.
That's what we are having now?
The national, call drop for Airtel is 1.01%.
Really? Is that the best of the three?
Etisalat, 1.10.
Okay.